Oh man, we are going to do the ultimate floating bench test with the Western interlock block. Let's see if it can hold all four of us. I'm 220 pounds. I'm a little nervous.
We had some small adjustments to the bench visually, so we wanted to be a little bit longer and a little bit shorter over here. We just thought it would fit the design better. This was done to plan, kind of shooting from the hip. When I got here last night, I was like, I think it would look better, a little bit more linear. I'm making some small adjustments.
It's the next big thing.
So we're gonna pour a little bit more footing over here. Cut the front of this so the pavers can marry up to it, because the footing's a little bit high. So we're gonna have a hard time getting the pavers to marry up to it. So we're gonna trim the front, and we'll get everything looking perfect when it's all said and done. It's a unique saw, but it comes in really handy.
Whoa, Colin, dude, what do we got going here?
Well, we're the last course of wall block here with the rebar. So we poured a concrete footer. We added the rebar through the blocks to help with this bench, because it's gonna be a floating bench. So the brackets that are there, there's no support there. It's just gonna be relying on the support of the wall. So this is an L-shaped wall. So with basic engineering, we have a lot of support already, but putting this rebar in there with some silicone around it is just an added benefit or an extra insurance to make sure this wall doesn't move at any time.
Gotcha. Yeah, so when it's all complete, we're going to have a floating bench in here, right? So really the idea of it is that if someone was sitting over on this side, it's not gonna
move. Nope.
Okay, gotcha.
It's gonna be firm and last a lifetime, and we'll have a few extra courses on there after this rebar for a nice backing to sit up against. So lots of support, lots of strength, and lots of longevity.
Awesome. Okay, so now you're putting down some super wet.
Mm-hmm.
So how does this process work?
Oh, so the cool thing about PaveTech Super Wet is if you're in a wet climate and you're trying to do hardscapes, this works better with wet block. So the water helps carry some of the chemicals within that super wet product and impregnate it into the block to create a better bond and a stronger adhesion. So when you're building a wall, you have to get it wet when you want to use that product if it's dry to help get that best adhesion.
Gotcha. How long does it take to dry?
I mean, it's usually pretty firm within about 30 minutes, but when you're building a wall like this with lots of subsequent courses that are pretty fast, it's pretty firm every 7 or 8 minutes, where you can keep stacking on top of it without it sliding or moving, and then within 24 hours, it'll be fully cured.
Gotcha. So once it's glued and it's all completely cured, this isn't moving.
No. Not without a sledgehammer or a jackhammer.
So I noticed that underneath here, we've got a poured footing in here.
Yep.
The rebar is going down into the concrete. That has all been secured, and then it's coming up in and through.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, awesome. I love it. I'll let you get back to it.
Thanks, Paul.
Thank you.
Yep.
Eric,
What's up, man?
How's it going, dude? What are we doing here?
Getting a bench going.
Floating bench.
Getting this bench going, yeah, with some lights
Okay.
underneath it.
All right. So how is this floating?
We fabricated some steel L-brackets,
Okay.
and we have anchored it into this concrete wall to give it that structure and ability to float.
Okay. And so now you're going to be installing some
Yes.
of my landscape lights underneath it.
Right. We're gonna pop these in there. So as soon as we got top done, we're working on the side here.
Yep.
This is we're gonna be able to fit another board perfectly right on the bottom,
Okay.
and then we'll just screw these in, trying to get the wire run through the framing. So
Yeah. So it's all clean and clear.
and yeah, it'll look good when these are in there. Because these benches, when they glow, they look really good.
What else is going on with this thing that I think most people might want to know?
Yeah, so with the block installation of it, we wanted to kind of give it more structure, a little more engineering. So the reason we put rebar through it is to tie it into that concrete footing. So we L'd the bottom of the rebar that locks it in place, and then we core drilled through the blocks and filled them with epoxy, and that really kind of, and then with the super wet, of course, it's rock solid.
Oh man, we are going to do the ultimate floating bench test with the Western interlock block. Let's see if it can hold all four of us. I'm 220 pounds. I'm a little nervous.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
We're good, right?
Yeah,
That's stable.
very nice. Very nice. Hey, good job, dude. This is awesome. We are with the build team. We got Eric, the designer. We got Mason, our GC, who helped get everything prepped here. And then we got Sal with Calco, the concrete master. I try. Man, what do you guys think so far?
A lot of work in a short time.
Dude, how are you feeling about your design?
It's looking good. It's looking good. You know, a few things change as you get in real life and computer images, but it's all lining out. It's looking good.
Yeah. Mason, how are you feeling about this? I mean, you got to see it from the start with the grass and a few plants. You did a lot of this hard work digging massive holes for the permeable pavers and the accessibility for water to flow through. Getting that whole hot tub area set. How many hours did you put in here just getting this all prepped?
So getting this all prepped, we've got about 350 man hours to get us to the point that LinQ started. But it was an awesome opportunity. Working off of Eric's design is a different style than I've ever installed.